Hello everybody, so today we are going to be talking about Pandabuy and more specifically ways you can search for links and products on Pandabuy. So there are a couple ways that you can use Pandabuy. First of all, you can use the search bar on the website itself, so you can type in the name of the product or you can put in the link. If you do not have a link of a product, this method isn't really reliable, because once you put in the name of a product, it will show you a bunch of different products that may not be the thing that you are looking for. So if you do not have a link, or if you're just searching for something that you are not really decided on what you want, you can use this method. But for anyone who doesn't want to do that, I would not recommend this method. There is also the method of using reverse image search. So if we click on here, we can just put in a photo that we have found online, and if we put in the photo, it will find us the products that we are looking for. And this method is a lot better, as you can see, because here we have the products that we actually wanted to find. So if you are looking for using the search bar on the website itself, I would recommend using image search more than the search bar. Other methods that you can use are using subreddits, closely r/fashion wraps and r/pandabuy. These subreddits have a bunch of links, so if you can just type in the name of the product that you want. For example, I've typed in Air Jordan Chicago here, and you can see the photos here. And if you want to buy, all you have to do is click on the post itself, and here you will find a link to the post on the Pandabuy website. So all you have to do is click on the link, and here it will open the product itself on the website. So this is also a very good method that you can use. And there's also one other method that I will probably say is the best one to use, and it's spreadsheets. So if you go on subreddits as well, or if you just type in on Google Pandabuy spreadsheets, you will find a bunch of spreadsheets that will have a lot of different products. So for example, here you can see that these products are put into subcategories. So you have shoes, hoodies, t-shirts, etc. And all of these products are here, and they are put in with their links, with their prices, and with their images. And if you have a specific product in mind, all you have to do is press Ctrl F and type into the search bar, for example, I want to see dark mocha, and there you see Air Jordan 1 dark mocha. And if you want to find the product on the website itself, all you have to do is click on this link here, and as you can see, it is opening up the link itself, and it will open it up on the Pandabuy website. So yeah, I would say that the spreadsheet method is definitely the one that is most useful, and you can use it in the most efficient way possible. So here you can see we have the product itself. So yeah, thank you for listening, and hope that this video helps you.